guys, this is Peter Selm with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through the all-new 2021 Scout 305 LXF. I'm going to let Frank show you the profile shot of this boat. It does look beautiful in the water. Black hull color. As he makes his way in, you can also see some of the midnight edition on this boat as well. All right, coming in, we have the cayenne interior color. Underneath this front seat here, just grab that real quick, we have our table and bracket for the table. Really awesome spot to eat lunch up there in the bow. In the bow too, obviously we have our windlass with controls. Two really awesomely appointed cup holder, rod holder combos. Underneath our seats there, they are insulated, so you can shove those full with drinks, maybe some fish. Really comfy backrest here too in the front. All right, making our way back. At our helm, again, beautiful cayenne interior. Again, I want to keep highlighting the midnight edition of this boat too, because it really looks cool out there in the water. I think it's an awesome little feature from Scout there. At the helm, our digital throttle and shift, Merc vessel view, Lenco trim tabs, our start and stop, Edson wheel, Axios propulsion system, so we can turn this boat on a dime, spin it around. All of our switching up there for our lights and our bilges, VHF, and then our Garmin display here as well. Oh, let's highlight the head compartment. I'll let Frank show you down there. Plenty of headroom and a little spot to sit down there on the left in the forward. A lot of coverage from the sun underneath the T-top. It's a big T-top. Again, you can see highlights of the midnight edition on the rocket holders here, rocket launchers, excuse me, and our grab handles here. At our leaning post, our live well, sink, cutting board, spot for your tools here, get some of the hooks out of the fish there, and just a bunch of drawers here. Again, more storage on this boat. All right, two fish boxes on each side. Our dive door opens in this way. But you want to get on and off the boat that way if you're swimming or if you're pulling your fish on board. And then our back seat here, super comfy. Great spot to sit back here when you're riding. And then underneath, we do have an additional live well. Also, I don't know if I highlighted it, but exactly, you know, this boat is powered with twin Mercury 300 outboards. All right, so again, the 2021 Scout 305 LXF. If you guys have any questions about this or any of the boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.